Hi, my beloved. Hi. Oh, hi, football. Hi, football. What are you doing? Are you about to roll over again? Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, you have pretty feathers, football. Oh my god, wait, you have such pretty feathers. That's crazy. Hi. Hi, football. I love you. I love you, football. I love him so much.
I know you do.
I love you, football.
What if we just don't look at the price tag?
Oh, $7.99, obviously.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I've got that. We can take him home right now. And get all the other stuff. If it's also only $7.99.
My neighbor has a lot of this stuff. Hi, I love you. I'm sure I still have some stuff for me having birds. Oh, you're so handsome. Look at you. That's your butthole.
He likes you. In more ways than one. Look at
Is he
him.
doing a mating dance? Maybe that's what's happening. I think he's itchy. I can't tell. He's so cute, though. I love you. Hi. Hi. Oh, look at him.